This is a cool blues tune called Blue on Black. Fairly easy to play. It's got a repeating riff. It's a D to a C to a G. And in the chorus you'll find an A. But I think that's all the chords used in the song. Just D, C, and G, A in the chorus. And I noticed, I may be wrong, but I touch the E string down here the whole time I'm playing this one so you don't hear it. Because I might be wrong. Sometimes I'll do that anyway because I don't like that little string ringing all the time. But in that song, I don't know if he's playing that E string or not. But just put your fingers on it to kind of mute it. Or that's what I'm doing anyway. You can play it like this, it's fine. But when I block that one out, it just sounds better to me. It's Blue on Black. D, C, G. Night falls and I'm alone. Skin chill me to the bone. Turned and you ran. What slipped right from my hand? Hey, blue on black, tears on a river, push on, shove, it don't mean much. Joker on Jack, mash on the fire, hold on ice, dead man's touch. Whisper on the screen, doesn't change a thing, doesn't bring you back, back. Blue on black, blue on black. Blind. Verse 2 goes on just like the first one. It's D, C, G. And of course then there's other choruses, but that's the song. And it's really easy to play. But it's don't let its simplicity throw you off or make you not want to learn it. It's a great song. Kenny Wayne Shepherd did a wonderful job with this. And I'm sure I'm not playing it like he is, but hopefully you will recognize it. You start with a D. I can do almost a little Hank Williams Jr. Country Boy Can't Survive kind of with the D right there. Just hit the open G and hammer onto that A. That's the third string at the second fret you're hammering onto. Pluck the open one in. Hammer down on it. It's night. Well, I like to hold the E. Night. And then do a little run. Falls G. And I'm alone D. D skin. Chill me G to the bone. You D. Turned and you ran D. Oh, C, G. Oh, it slipped D. C, right into my hand. D, C, G. Hey, D, blue on black, tears on the river, to push on a shove. See, hit G don't mean much. D, joker on Jack, mash on the fire. See, cold on ice is a G, dead man's touch. D, whisper on the string. C doesn't change a thing. G doesn't bring you A. Back. G, blue on black. D, C, G, yeah, blue on black. And that's the song. The other chorus and verse goes on. Of course, there's a solo when you get to that, but as far as just some rhythm strumming like that, the song is D, C, G, D, C, G. Just over and over. Put you a little, and I don't do this every time when I play it like that. Do it when you feel it. Because if you don't do it at all, it seems naked. If you do it every time, it loses its special quality. It's too much of it. It's like I tell about icing on a cake. A little icing is sweet. Too much icing is icky. Just do it when you feel it. More so probably when you're not singing. Night falls and I'm alone. Doesn't get in the way when you're not singing. Skin, yeah, chill me to the bone. You turn and you ran. Oh yeah, oh it slipped right from my hand. Hey, blue on black, tears on the river, push on a shove, it don't mean much. Joker on jack, mash on the fire, when cold on ice, a dead man's touch. Whisper on the screen, doesn't change a thing, doesn't bring you back. Blue on black, yeah, blue on black. Really easy one to get the hang of, and if you're not ready for chords yet, it's okay. You can do the 5 chord like this and play it just as well. We'll move up here, shrink this down a little bit, and you can still D and go to C, and there's your G. It's in the key of G, so that would be your 1. G, 4 is the C, and D is the 5. So the progression is 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 1. And when you get ready for your A, it's right there, which is a 2. But you can play it like this if you're not ready for those chords yet. Night falls and I'm alone. Skin, yeah, chills me to the bone. And that's just over and over, and then the chorus. Hey, blue on black, tears on a river, C, push on a shove, it don't mean much. G, joker on jack, mash on the fire, cold on ice, a dead man's touch. Whisper on the screen, doesn't change a thing, doesn't bring you back. There's the A. Back. Blue on black. Back to the D. 5, 4, 1. Blue on fly. 5, 5, 4, 1. So you can play with the 5 chords too if you're not quite ready for the chords yet. Either way, have fun with it.